You won't believe these amazing fruits that can help you maintain a healthy circulatory system. We're talking about 7 fruits that can help dissolve blood clots naturally. Let's check them out. First up, pineapple. Pineapple is not just a tropical delight. It's packed with bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down protein and helps reduce clotting. Bromelain has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant properties, making it a powerful ally in maintaining healthy blood flow. Next, grapes. The antioxidants in grapes, particularly flavonoids, can improve blood flow and keep clots at bay. These antioxidants help to relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which is crucial for preventing clots. On to oranges. Rich in vitamin C, oranges help strengthen blood vessels and prevent clots. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which keeps your blood vessels flexible and strong. Number 4. Blueberries. These little berries are filled with flavonoids that reduce clotting activity. Flavonoids are known for their ability to improve endothelial function, which is the lining of your blood vessels, ensuring smooth blood flow. Don't forget about tomatoes. Lycopene in tomatoes can help thin blood naturally. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are factors in blood clot formation. Now, pomegranate. This superfruit has antioxidants that improve circulation and prevent clots. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to enhance nitric oxide production, leading to better blood vessel function. Finally, kiwi. Kiwi contains actinidine, which aids digestion and lowers clot risk. Actinidine is an enzyme that helps break down proteins and can improve overall blood flow. There you have it. 7 delicious fruits that not only taste great, but also help keep your blood flowing smoothly. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet can be a simple and effective way to support your cardiovascular health. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant fruit salad or a refreshing smoothie packed with these powerful fruits. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be doing wonders for your heart and blood vessels. Keep your blood flowing smoothly by making these fruits a regular part of your diet. Whether you enjoy them as snacks, in salads, or blended into smoothies, the benefits are undeniable. Stay healthy and grab some fruit today. Remember, a healthy diet is one of the best ways to prevent blood clots and maintain overall well-being. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to pick up some of these amazing fruits and give your circulatory system the boost it deserves. Eating fruits is not just about enjoying their delicious taste, it's about harnessing their incredible health benefits. Fruits are nature's candy, packed with essential nutrients that our bodies need to function optimally. They come in a variety of flavors, colors, and textures, making them a versatile addition to any diet. Whether you prefer the tartness of berries, the sweetness of tropical fruits, or the crispness of apples, there's a fruit out there for everyone. In this chapter, we'll explore how consuming fruits can significantly improve your blood health and prevent clots. Blood health is crucial for overall well-being, as it ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently transported throughout the body. Poor blood health can lead to a range of issues, from fatigue and dizziness to more serious conditions like heart disease and stroke. By incorporating fruits into your diet, you can take proactive steps to maintain healthy blood and reduce the risk of these complications. Firstly, fruits are rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help to neutralize free radicals, which can damage blood vessels and lead to clot formation. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, a condition that damages cells and tissues. Antioxidants, found abundantly in fruits, help to combat this stress and protect the integrity of your blood vessels. By including antioxidant-rich fruits like berries and grapes in your diet, you can enhance your body's natural defense system. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are particularly high in antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. Grapes, especially red and purple varieties, contain resveratrol, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to improve heart health and reduce inflammation. Next, many fruits are high in dietary fiber. Fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels, which in turn reduces the risk of blood clots. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that can build up in your arteries, leading to atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by narrowed and hardened arteries. This can impede blood flow and increase the risk of clots. By consuming fiber-rich fruits, you can help to keep your cholesterol levels in check and promote healthy blood flow. Apples, pears, and citrus fruits are excellent sources of fiber that can keep your blood vessels clean and clear. Apples contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to support digestive health and lower cholesterol. Pears are another great source of fiber, particularly pectin, which has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are not only high in fiber, but also packed with vitamin C, making them a double threat against blood clots. Moreover, fruits like oranges and kiwis are packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin not only strengthens blood vessels, but also improves the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, ensuring that your blood remains healthy and efficient in oxygen transport. Iron is a crucial component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. Without adequate iron, your body can't produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to anemia and other blood disorders. By consuming vitamin C-rich fruits, you can enhance your body's ability to absorb iron and maintain healthy blood. Oranges are a well-known source of vitamin C, but kiwis actually contain even more of this vital nutrient. In addition to vitamin C, kiwis are also rich in other antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which further support blood health. Fruits also contain natural enzymes that aid digestion and support overall cardiovascular health. Proper digestion is essential for nutrient absorption and overall health. When your digestive system is functioning optimally, your body can efficiently extract and utilize the nutrients from the foods you eat, including those that support blood health. For example, the bromelain in pineapples and actinidin in kiwis help to break down proteins and improve blood flow, reducing the likelihood of clot formation. Bromelain is a mixture of enzymes found in pineapples that has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Actinidin, found in kiwis, is another enzyme that aids in protein digestion and has been linked to improved cardiovascular health. By incorporating these enzyme-rich fruits into your diet, you can support your digestive health and promote better blood flow. Pineapples are not only delicious, but also versatile, making them a great addition to smoothies, salads, and even savory dishes. Kiwis, with their unique flavor and texture, can be enjoyed on their own or added to a variety of recipes for a nutritional boost. Lastly, fruits are a great source of hydration. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal blood viscosity and preventing clots. Blood viscosity refers to the thickness and stickiness of your blood, which can affect how easily it flows through your vessels. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker and more prone to clotting. By staying hydrated, you can help to keep your blood flowing smoothly and reduce the risk of clots. Water-rich fruits such as watermelon and cucumbers can help you stay hydrated and support smooth blood circulation. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it an excellent choice for hydration. It's also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like lycopene, which has been shown to support heart health. Cucumbers, another hydrating fruit, are also high in water content and contain important nutrients like vitamin K and potassium, which support blood health. By incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet, you can provide a multitude of benefits for your blood health. Each fruit offers its own unique set of nutrients and health benefits, so it's important to enjoy a diverse array of fruits to ensure you're getting a well-rounded intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So, make sure to enjoy a colorful array of fruits daily to keep your blood vessels strong and your circulation smooth. Aim to include a variety of colors in your fruit selection, as different colors often indicate different types of nutrients. For example, red fruits like strawberries and cherries are high in antioxidants, while orange fruits like oranges and mangoes are rich in vitamin C. Green fruits like kiwis and grapes offer a range of vitamins and minerals, and blue and purple fruits like blueberries and plums are packed with powerful antioxidants. Stay healthy and keep those clots at bay. By making fruits a regular part of your diet, you can take proactive steps to support your blood health and overall well-being. Whether you enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried, fruits are a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your diet and protect your health. So go ahead, indulge in nature's candy, and reap the many benefits that fruits have to offer. Remember, the key to reaping the full benefits of fruits is variety and consistency. Make it a habit to include a wide range of fruits in your meals and snacks, and enjoy the journey to better blood health and overall wellness. Not only will you be supporting your blood health, but you'll also be setting a positive example for those around you. Encourage your family and friends to join you in incorporating more fruits into their diets, and together, you can create a healthier, more vibrant community. So the next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, take a moment to appreciate the incredible variety of fruits available. Pick up something new and exciting and experiment with different recipes and combinations. You might just discover a new favorite fruit or a delicious way to enjoy an old favorite. In conclusion, fruits are a powerhouse of nutrition that can significantly improve your blood health and prevent clots. From antioxidants and fiber to vitamins and enzymes, fruits offer a wide range of benefits that support your cardiovascular system and overall well-being. By making fruits a regular part of your diet, you can take proactive steps to maintain healthy blood and reduce the risk of serious health issues. So, embrace the natural goodness of fruits and make them a staple in your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll enjoy the delicious flavors and vibrant colors that fruits bring to your meals. Here's to a healthier, happier you, fueled by the power of fruits. Thank you for joining us in this chapter on the benefits of eating fruits for blood health. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and incorporating more fruits into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support your health. Stay tuned for more chapters on how to improve your health and well-being through nutrition and lifestyle choices. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those clots at bay. 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 Now that we've explored the amazing benefits of fruits for blood health, let's delve deeper into how you can seamlessly incorporate these top 7 fruits into your daily diet. It's not just about adding them to your meals, it's about making them a delightful part of your everyday routine. Let's dive into some practical and creative ways you can enjoy these fruits every day. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone who loves spending time in the kitchen, there's a method for everyone. It's easier than you think. Starting your day with a burst of fruity goodness can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. One of the simplest ways to begin is with a refreshing berry smoothie. Smoothies are incredibly versatile and can be tailored to your taste preferences and nutritional needs. Blend together a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and a handful of spinach for an antioxidant-packed breakfast. These berries are not only delicious, but also loaded with vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Add a splash of almond milk and a spoonful of chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Almond milk provides a creamy texture without the added calories of regular milk, and chia seeds add a delightful crunch along with their health benefits. For a mid-morning snack, keep some apple slices handy. Apples are not only convenient, but also incredibly nutritious. Pair them with a dollop of almond butter for a satisfying and nutritious treat. The combination of the crisp apple and the creamy almond butter is both delicious and filling. The fiber in apples will help keep your cholesterol in check and your blood vessels clear. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage. Lunch can be a great time to enjoy a vibrant salad. Salads are a fantastic way to incorporate multiple fruits and vegetables into one meal. Toss together some mixed greens, orange segments, and avocado slices. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a variety of nutrients. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette made from olive oil and lemon juice. This simple dressing enhances the flavors of the salad without adding unnecessary calories. The vitamin C from the oranges will boost your iron absorption, while the healthy fats in the avocado support overall cardiovascular health. This salad is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. In the afternoon, reach for a kiwi. This small but mighty fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients. This small but mighty fruit is rich in vitamin C and natural enzymes that aid digestion. Kiwis are also known for their high fiber content, which can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Simply slice it in half and scoop out the delicious, tangy flesh with a spoon. It's a quick and easy snack that you can enjoy anywhere. Dinner time? How about a pineapple salsa to accompany your grilled chicken or fish? This tropical salsa is a great way to add a burst of flavor to your meal. Combine diced pineapple, red onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. This combination not only tastes great, but also provides a variety of nutrients. This tropical salsa not only adds a burst of flavor, but also provides bromelain, an enzyme that helps improve blood flow. Bromelain is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. For dessert, indulge in a bowl of watermelon cubes. Watermelon is not only delicious, but also incredibly hydrating. This hydrating fruit is perfect for maintaining optimal blood viscosity and smooth circulation. Watermelon is also rich in vitamins A and C, which are important for overall health. Plus, it's a refreshing way to end your meal. The natural sweetness of watermelon makes it a perfect dessert option. By incorporating these top 7 fruits into your daily meals, you'll be taking significant steps towards better blood health. These fruits are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Remember, variety is key, so mix and match these fruits to keep your diet exciting and nutritious. Experiment with different combinations to find what you enjoy the most. Stay healthy and enjoy the delicious journey to improved blood circulation. Incorporating these fruits into your diet is a simple and enjoyable way to support your overall health. So, go ahead and start adding these fruits to your meals today.